lessons very seriously. Yes. You have to, because that is why you are here. Okay? Alright, so we'll continue with our studies. I want to talk about something very important today. It has to do with the attributes of God. Some will say attributes of God.
Attributes of God.
Now, one of the attributes is omniscience. Say omniscience.
Omniscience.
That means the all-knowing God. God is all-knowing. And that is an attribute of God. It describes who God is, what God is. And I believe you know the difference between who He is and what He is. When we're talking about describing God, we have what we can say about who He is and what we can say about what He is. So, looking at what, it has a different name. But today, we're looking at who God is. One of the attributes is that He is all-knowing. He knows everything. Do you get it?
Yes.
He knows it. He's all-knowing. And that means that nothing is hidden from us. Nothing at all. Yes, Mama.
Sir, if Christians believe God is all-knowing, why doesn't He stop commands and words? My uncle died in a shootout. Didn't God see the gun pointed at him?
Quiet, class. Quiet. Well done, Mom. Okay, class, it's time for break. I said go for break. Are you the teacher or I am? I said go for break.
I said just 10 minutes.
Everyone wants to go to break.
In the realms of heaven, a love that is so true. Angels whisper secrets of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night. Forever with you, my love, is where I want to go. You are my dream come true, look, so I'll never leave your side. Oh, and just love, surrendered me like a flame.
It's not complicated.
A love that is strong and pure. It's a no shame.
Young boy.
Is that your business?
Young boy. Hey, what are you doing?
The soul is one.
Are you actually about why clothes gathering and things?
Oh, yeah. Isn't it fascinating and emotional how people place their deepest beliefs in this sacred religion doctrines?
Oh, do you believe in the existence of the king?
I'm moved by mom's conviction that there can never be a creation without a creator. And I believe in people that possesses different forms of powers and do incredible things. It's a strange and wonderful.
Wow. I think my friend and I would be thrilled to have you join us.
Thanks for the invite. I have to head to the library.
on.
Maybe some other time.
Fine. Okay. You need nothing.
Sure.
Bye. Let's go. Peace all on his one. Peace all on his one. Peace all on his one.
Ohima, why are you crying?
Prissy, you can see me.
Yes, I can see you. I have the gift of seeing and talking to the dead. I saw you passing in tears, so I decided to come close and see what is wrong with you.
Prissy, I don't know what is going on. I've been trying to talk to people, but they can't hear me. They can't even see me.
Yes, Ohima. At this point, you are not part of the living. You are dead. That is why no one can see you, can talk to you.
I'm dead.
Yes.
Oh God.
What actually happened?
Prissy, it's a long story. And it's something I've regretted doing it.
Talk to me.
Prissy, I fell in love with the guy. And I realized he wasn't loving me back. I've done everything I'm supposed to do, but the guy was not loving me back. So I felt like ending my life is better than to live with a guy who doesn't love you back.
Ohima, how on earth will you take your own life? Because of a guy? Now have you seen what you've caused yourself? Have you seen it?
Please. If there is something you could do to bring me back to life, please help me.
I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do. The fact that I can see and communicate with the dead, I have no powers. I can't do anything. I can't help you.
Please help me. I really need your help.
I can't help you. There is nothing I can do.
Please.
Please, I can't. There's nothing I can do to help you.
Please. Do something about me.
Peace all on his one.
this one.
I'm sure you love it. Really? If you taste the pudding, I'm not sure you take that to wrong again.
You never seen my so.
No, it's not like caramel. This is the milk of rice and curry, and it's so nice. Very nice. You should try it.
Wow. Bro, look at the prettiest and the smartest ladies on campus.
What are you guys up to?
We came to meet you ladies and to show our gratitude.
Gratitude. Strange.
Big girls can be good, huh? Please, can you speak with two of you guys?
Yeah, you don't trust JP with your words? Okay, JP. A moment, please. We'll be quick.
Akuntanyo ko. Hey, boga one. Na hey, Mr. Buffer baby kuntabiama. And what is the shop to me? Me disikani nyina egu lollycash account no so. Oh, you do it. Me be spread mu mamu isro. Me be anya afa na me ha me $100 bebre egu me bag mu. Na yakobisa me sesika me de koye den. Ma load ni nyina egu me lollycash account ni mu. That's right. Enti se me ba be di dwuma bia wo hanom a me tua free mu straight.
Hey, baby, a lollycash app nedru no.
Na chere se wo dollars no egu wallet mu. Enso wo twade wa Ghana hanom a. Ense se Mercedes. Sa pepepe. Ti se me kwa brotira, me sika ni nyina no me load gu me lollycash account no so. Abrotire baby a me wo bia no. Ade bia me pe bia me timi to. Na app no a convert sika no. Akọ country ni sika no so. Na me de adi me dwuma.
Inti America, Canada, and Europe countries na lollycash app no so no. Sa
app na ngasa be convert akọ say American dollar, say Canadian dollar, say India for sika e bia app no convert mami. Enti transaction is simple kra. Lollycash app no guy pa. Account na sika no term sa no. Entetew. There be lollycash account there. Yentew say there bi no mo ye no. Ulo dia tumu a bibia ni mu no ne ati bibi kakra. Mi be wie no ma send bi aba mu. Na me dia contact so bi akọ na account mu ama no.
Thank you.
Account hold my ink ko ho. Enti obia and download the lollycash app no e wo Google ana Apple Store. Number start and send sika and mama busua for no na for no e wa mono ne ba bia lollycash 24/7 send sika.
Bambika.
So, what is this about?
The other maids didn't realize what you ladies did to Mr. Eddie.
You guys are funny. I mean, we were...
Just want to say thank you. Yeah, just want to say thank you because you really did a lot. Yeah, to save the truth. Because that very day, like, we were very, very, very hungry. Yeah.
Wait. So is that why you stopped? And by the way, how did you guys know we have powers?
Okay. Let's make it up next time, okay? See you later. Go.
Wait. Does it mean we have been exposed? I don't think so. We just have to be careful.
Are you ladies okay?
Yeah, we're fine. I hope we didn't keep you waiting.
Oh no, I'm okay, it's fine.
Yeah. You're being a gentle guy.
Come on.
So as we were saying, the pudding.
Yeah.
You have to try it.
Let's go.
When are you bringing this out?
Tomorrow.
Are you
You're
sure?
I promise.
In the realms of heaven, a love that is so true. Angels whisper secret of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night. Forever with you, my love, is where I want to go. You are my dream come true, love, so I'll never leave your side. Oh, angels love, surrendered me like a flame. A love that is strong and pure, it's a no shame. Oh, angels love, surrendered me like a flame. A love that is strong and pure, it's a no shame. Through the dark of night, forever with you, my love, is where I want to go. You are my dream come true, love, so I'll never leave your side. Oh, angels love, surrendered.
His soul is one.
There he comes. It is time for me to regain my power. It is time for me to say goodbye to this realm. I'm tired already.
His soul is one.
There he comes. It is time for me to regain my power. It is time for me to say goodbye to this room. I'm tired already.
This feels weird. All these goosebumps. Auntie, let me check up on Auntie.
Hey, Human, no, that's not for me. Human! Hey, Human! Hey, Human! Human!
His soul is one.
Hey! Human!
His soul is one.
Kitchen is smelling nice. Sorry, Mom, you're home already.
Gentlemen, so you thought I wasn't home, right?
I'm sorry.
You know I hate being kept waiting. You know it.
My bad, apologies.
Gentlemen, your sister told me you left her all alone and went after some girls.
Mom, don't get it twisted. They're just my classmates. They even asked me to go out with them, which I declined.
So you left your sister all alone and went out with your classmates. Those people were important than your sister, right? Never in your life. Never.
Okay, Mom.
Hey, go inside and change. Get the keys and fill the gas for me.
Okay, Mom.
I wasn't lying.
Hey!
Next time.
Be fast.
order. Your order is still standing. I'll definitely deliver it to your place.
Auntie! I've got good news for you.
And what might that be?
I find you admission to the senior high school in KB. And their senior can start on Monday.
What?
Yes! This Monday, just this Monday, this very Monday.
Congratulations! Hey!
Thank you so much. I just couldn't wait to come tell you. I'm so happy about it.
I'm also very proud of you. And this calls for a celebration. What do you think about it?
Yeah, true.
But let me promise you one thing. The one thing I keep saying is I will always be here for you. Alright? And I'll make sure you are all set and checked on Monday. Okay?
Okay, sure.
In the realms of heaven, a love that is so true. Angels whisper secret of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody.
Look, I need to go back for you.
Okay.
I'll see you soon.
Hey, you guys,
Psalmist 1.
Angels whisper secret of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night. Forever with you, my love, is where I want to go. You are my dream come true, love, so I'll never leave your side. Oh, angels love, surrendered me like a flame. A love that is strong and pure, it's a no shame. Oh, angels love, surrendered me like a flame. A love that is strong and pure, it's a no shame. Sham your doobie, or dosun kwami shebito, or the musunko, Yamibo for